Hi, and Merry Christmas. I'm honored to have a chance to speak with you and your family this year. Recently, we learned that our governments, working in concert, have created a system of worldwide mass surveillance, watching everything we do.
Whistleblower Edward Snowden warns of the dangers posed by a loss of privacy in a message broadcast on Channel 4 on Christmas Day.
Great Britain's George Orwell warned us of the danger of this kind of information. The types of collection in the book, microphones and video cameras, TVs that watch us, are nothing compared to what we have available today. We have sensors in our pockets that track us everywhere we go. Think about what this means for the privacy of the average person.
The 2-minute message was thought to be recorded in Moscow, where Snowden has been granted temporary asylum. He went on to talk about his worries for the future.
A child born today will grow up with no conception of privacy at all. They'll never know what it means to have a private moment to themselves, an unrecorded, unanalyzed thought. And that's a problem, because privacy matters. Privacy is what allows us to determine who we are and who we want to be. The conversation occurring today will determine the amount of trust we can place both in the technology that surrounds us and the government that regulates it. Together, we can find a better balance, end mass surveillance, and remind the government that if it really wants to know how we feel, asking is always cheaper than spying.
Channel 4's alternative message has been going since 1993. Previous speakers include the President of Iran and the cartoon character Marge Simpson.
For everyone out there listening, thank you and Merry Christmas.